Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, September 20th. The Zen story for today is titled The Mask with No Face. They weren't looking for anything in particular, just walking. The day was gray in a way that had no mood, neither ominous nor calm, just gray. The monkey tripped over a pile of soggy leaves and cursed. Who leaves leaves lying around? It muttered, kicking at them. That's when it saw something beneath, half buried in mulch and mud, a mask. Round, smooth, no eye holes, no mouth, no color, just a surface that shimmered faintly, like a pond holding still. Treasure, the monkey declared. Ancient wisdom, definitely haunted, or powerful, or both. The monk approached, but didn't touch it. The monkey picked it up, held it to the light. It reflected nothing. No face, the monk said softly. Perfect, the monkey grinned. Try it on. The monk shook his head. Why? To see who you really are, the monkey said. Or who you are not. The monk didn't move. Fine, I'll do it, the monkey said, slipping the mask over its own face. Nothing happened. Then it gasped. I see someone, something, a face that looks like mine, but is not. It's quieter, older, less itchy. The monk raised an eyebrow. And how does that feel? Uncomfortable, said the monkey. It pulled the mask off quickly and tossed it back to the leaves. Too much truth, not enough flair. They walked on. Behind them, the mask lay in the dirt. The wind picked it up. The leaves covered it again, slowly, as if tucking it in. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What might you see if you removed the layers that perform for the world? And are you ready to face it? What might you see if you removed the layers that perform for the world? And are you ready to face it? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What might you see if you removed the layers that perform for the world? And are you ready to face it? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.